Sustainability starts with you. Join the movement for a better future. Sustainability is not a choice, it's a responsibility. Meet Sarah, a young woman who is passionate about the environment and living a sustainable lifestyle. Do I really need this plastic-wrapped food? Is there an alternative? I started making small changes in my daily routine, like carrying a reusable water bottle and shopping at thrift stores. I realized that I could grow my own vegetables and reduce my carbon footprint at the same time. Why do you bother with all this environmental stuff? It's not just about the environment, Dad. It's about our future and the future of the planet. Be the change you want to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi. I realize that individual action is important, but we also need to advocate for policies that promote sustainability. No one is too small to make a difference. Greta Thunberg. It's not always easy, but every little action can make a difference. In nature, nothing exists alone. Rachel Carson. Conclusion. Sustainability is not just a trend, it's a way of life. We have to acknowledge that we are part of nature, and we have to take care of it. Leonardo DiCaprio. Join the movement for a sustainable future. Make a difference, today. Please make small changes in their daily lives to live more sustainably and protect the planet. Ease Tech Solutions. Thanks you for watching.